Fucking A, man. Yo, what's up? I gotta pee. I'll be right back. Yo. I'm here. Here. Oh. What's up? What's up? Gotta take my vitamins. Boom. Does it look like I got that breakout? I was up. I was up on a pivot point rejection, and I took some, and then I got filled on more when it finally hit it, and then I fucking got taken out, and then I tried to play the pivot point rejection again, and a rejection off the 400 because that's a psychological level, and I got taken out again. But yeah, but that's the best part about TopStep. I still have the account. This was actually my best account. It was up 5,100. It was up. It was up $1,333. I gave back 1,000. My TopStep, my Take Profit Trader account, I was $40 away from losing this altogether, which I did not do. So I still have it. I just can't trade it anymore today. I'm not going to. I'm actually, And then my Apex account. I'll show you guys my Apex account when more people show up. That's the most important one, actually, because they're both funded accounts. So, whatevs. But I got more. I got a fresh one I haven't even traded yet. Did you get that breakout boom? I hope you did. Obviously, I didn't. It bounced. What's crazy is we couldn't get under 300. 300 was support, and obviously there's and VWAP on the NQ, VWAP on the NQ, and the lower VWAP band on the Qs. But that was 300. That was 18,300, and we went up 100 fucking points from there. Oh, we came back down to the fucking pivot point. Oh shit, I missed that. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's fucking great, bro. Good job. Good job. Whatever. There's enough people on. I'll just talk about it again. So I have these two Apex funded accounts. This one, I made two trades. One trade for like a baby. Oh, now we're back on the fucking 400. You fuck. You motherfuckers. I bet we're gonna dump now. Watch this. Let's see. We dumping? I'll fuck around with this account. Mark with one. Well, fuck it. I don't even care. Oh, you're gambling. You're gambling. Somebody's going to tell me I'm gambling. Nobody on the stream, though. I get that in the comments from random people. Like, you're gambling. Is 400 going to hold as resistance now? Are we back under the... We're not under the pivot point, though, so I don't know. But we're at the pivot... We basically rejected off the hourly pivot point. Look at that. See that? I knew it was going to reject off of one of these. So I got it wrong. Nice. Hey, sometimes that happens, man. You got it back. You got it back and then some. So this is an account that I've had. I'm on day 5 now, I think. Let me just double check that. What's up, everybody who's watching? Show yourselves. Reveal yourself. Comment. Subscribe. Leave a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe. Who the fuck is calling me? Of course, someone's calling me right fucking now. No one I want to talk to. Scam likely. Yeah, fuck off. Anyway, I am on. So 66 is on day 5. I can't pull. It's not going to make the cutoff for this upcoming withdrawal period, which is the 15th to the 20th. What am I going to miss it by a day? Let's see what the calendar's looking like. Oh, I forgot I was in this fucking TopStep. Totally forgot about this. Let's see. There we go. Let's get out of 1 here. let's get out of one here at the 34 EMA, and then we'll see what happens with the other one. Anyway, let's see the calendar. Like, I don't even fucking care about this. Like, I'm so used to nuking fucking accounts that like a $19 TopStep account doesn't even faze me. I could care less. But it's probably not the. I don't recommend having that mentality. It's just I'm so desensitized to nuking eval accounts, especially when they're only 19 bucks. But let's see. So today's day 5, 6, 7, 8. That's fucked up. I mean, it is what it. I knew I was going to miss it. But yeah, I'm gonna miss the cutoff for a payout on number 66 by a day. So like, which I already knew that, right? So I can't request a withdrawal from Apex from this regarding this account until June 1st. So I'm not trying to go crazy and have like a $400 day, a $300 day. Hold on. Anyway, yeah. So I'm not trying to do anything crazy. I got out. I made it. Basically was one big trade for plus 150. The first trade was like plus 26. I took profit too soon, and then I played a rejection off the 34 on the 1 minute, and made the next trade. And I was like, all right, I'm up 174 bucks. I'm good on that. But so this account, this account's doing great. I'm almost halfway there, and I still have to fucking trade for 2 more weeks. You know what I mean? So, I'm not sweating this account. And then this account yesterday, um, so yesterday, this account, this is number 65. This is within, like, this will be eligible for a withdrawal during this withdrawal period coming up, but I have to get it up another 750 bucks. 760 bucks actually. I got this up 789.60 today. I've been working on this account basically since we reopened yesterday, hopping in and out of trades. I wasn't trading fucking straight through. Obviously, I had I have a life and I have a family and I had things I had to do, but I was making trades throughout that overnight session and even last night and then this morning. I think I got up to I think I went to sleep up like 544 bucks or something like that, and then I pushed it over. Or was it 4? I don't remember. I was up 400. I don't remember. I just got another 200 or 300 bucks. And my goal basically. So where I was yesterday, this account went down. I went down in one awful trade, almost 2,100 bucks. There was a flash dump that happened around 1 p.m. Eastern time. That I don't know if anybody was expecting that. It just kind of happened, and I got caught in it. And I worked the account, so I was down almost 2,100 bucks. I was actually up $73 before that happened. So I was like, "Oh, cool!" I was only $450 away from hitting the threshold to request a payout, which is 2,600 with Apex. Went down almost 2,100. It was like 2,080 or 2,050. I was a couple, and plus, keep in mind, I had the $73 in gains. It was probably more like 100, but I didn't get all of it. So you got to keep that in mind with the trailing max drawdown. What the fuck is going on here? Oh my God. What a bounce. I'm not even paying attention. I'm over here fucking talking. This thing's going to get nuked. This is $200 away from getting nuked. Maybe I should, so I guess 400 is support. That's fucking crazy. We're back at this pivot point. Man, none of these pivot points are really holding for long. Damn. Yeah, let's fucking load up some more. Fuck it. Fuck it. Boom. I don't give a fuck if this account goes. It's 19 bucks. Let's see what happens. Oh, you're gambling. Yeah, so I worked that Apex account back. I worked that Apex account back. I finished the day yesterday down like $992 after being down almost 2,100. So I was very happy about that. And then during my update video, I was doing the math. Yeah, this fucking thing is smoked. That's so crazy. Nothing. It's just so bullish. And I did the math. I had to average $381 a day. Yeah, this account's gone. Is this account done? There we go. Boom. Yes. Nuked another one. Woo! For the stream. What's up, Jesse? For the stream. For the stream, man. That's crazy. None of these pivot points are fucking holding. All I had to do was just go long since 300 in these evals, and I'd be fucking money. But whatever. But combine accounts. I mean, look at this. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. New account. Oh, now it's fucking coming down. Did I get filled? What am I in? 1? There we go. 3, 4, 5. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm not on tilt either. I'm fine. I just don't give a fuck about $19 fucking test accounts. I'll get out of 2 over here, though. I'll get out of another 2 here. If I get that, if it comes to that point, I don't know if it will. I mean, we're blowing through these fucking pivot points. Holy shit. What's interesting is on the NQ, we are right at a fucking pivot point on the daily. I don't know how much weight a daily pivot point holds on the NQ, but there it is. We hit it. 417. Maybe I should have just waited for that to happen. Damn. There we go. Yeah, so anyway, I had to average $381 a day between now and Friday, including today, to lock myself in for another payout, my second ever payout. So I decided today, if I can, I would push it beyond 381 so I didn't have to go up as much the rest of the week. So now that I hit 789.60, I have to go up. I have to get the account divided by 30. I have to get the account to 2,632. I'm going to shoot for 2,650 or 2,700. So 2,700 minus 1876. I have to get $824. My goal is to get $824 over the next 3 days, divided by 3. I just have to average $275 a day. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. What's going on with this fucking TopStep account? You're gonna take me out? You're gonna take me out? That'd be great if I. Damn, bro. This shit's new hour. That's why. Is this new hour? Oh my god. New hour pump. Unbelievable. I was up 200 something dollars. I'll put a stop in this one. Only because I'd rather wait for it to get to the pivot point on the daily and play that rejection. So I'm cool. I'm already out. That's fine. I was up fucking 200 something dollars on that account. That's annoying. Well, just keep pushing, man. Just learn from your mistakes. Don't do dumb shit like this. Like I'm just fucking around in this account. But I was up. I was right to some degree. I just didn't take profits. That's another thing. Take profits when you're up. Lock in games. Now it's gonna fucking dump because I'm not in anymore. So we got the hourly pivot point is at about 410. The daily pivot point's at 417. I'm done trading these Apex accounts, obviously. I'm not touching these fucking things. What are we doing here? See? There's the hourly. It's at 407. And then the daily's at 417. Like, which one? They're kind of consolidating between the pivot points. Like, we're way fucking up here. Like, look at this pop. Like, this thing can't keep going up, can it? It might. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fucking sell one there, sell one there, sell one here. And if the pivot point doesn't hold today, then it doesn't hold. I mean, it's kind of holding on the daily. I'm only in one right now. How fucking awesome. I'll get in another one. Let's see if I, no, guess not. Yeah, this shit is just fucking all over the place. It's kind of annoying me. Am I gonna fucking temporarily liquidate this account too? Oh, here we go. Just fucking dump. I think 400 might end up being support. What's up, guys? Show yourselves. I see 11 other people in here. Say what's up in the chat. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. All that fun stuff. Whoops. Jesus, man. I can't fucking I'm glad I'm not. I'm glad I'm done. I mean, we're double topping here, kind of, right? So here's the fucking. Take me out, motherfucker. Let's go. Come on. Hit it. Oh, hit it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did you see that? Yeah, now I'm fucking. Yeah, now it hits it after I fucking raise it. Fuck you. Fucking bullshit. Now it's gonna dump. I don't know. I think 400's fucking support. Nope. Guess not. All right, maybe it is. Let's see if it is. I'll take another one if it hits it. Let's see. Let's see if 400 support. Nope. Guess not. Guess not. Maybe it will be. We would like it to be support. Oh, no, but look, we're rejecting off of this fucking pivot point. So it's not going to be support. I actually might be fucked now. I might not fuck, but I could just Flip this shit around. There we go. Give it another chance. Sometimes you just got to give it a chance. Take me out of one of those. Come on, take me out. Is it going to do it? You motherfucker. This shit's annoying. Like right there. I'll get another chance. One more chance. One more chance. Like Biggie says. Biggie, give me one more chance. Come on, baby. There we go. That's one. You're going to get another one here. Come up to the 9 EMA. Come on. Maybe I'll just fucking hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit. Oh. There we go. Oh, now this account's up 94 bucks. Woohoo! For the stream. Did it for the stream. I think we're just going to dump, though. I mean, look at that. I don't know how much that's going to hold. The daily. I mean, see that? The daily at 15. I guess the daily and the hourly were holding more weight than the fucking 5 and 15 today. Oh, I guess I could have stayed in longer. Let me make sure I don't have any in this fucking money account. These accounts matter the most. These are fucking money accounts. Don't want to fuck that up. Oh man. Oh man. I'll wait. Thanks for the update. I'll wait for the payment to hit. How long does it usually take? The email. Sorry, I'm replying to somebody. Work stuff. The email said up to 15 days. How long before the payment actually gets sent? Marco, what's going on? Christopher, what's up? Peter, what is going on? One Stop Trader. What's up, guys? Welcome. Welcome to the G-Gen stream here. I'm fucking around in my Apex accounts. I just nuked, not my Apex, my fucking TopStep accounts. Just nuked this one. This one was close anyway. Just didn't get the pivot point rejection I was expecting, and that happened. So whatever, I'll just cancel the subscription. I don't give a fuck. This one, I'm annoyed about this one because this one was my baby. I was actually up. I took gains, and then at the first pivot point we hit, 2 pivot points ago on the 5 and 15, and then I didn't. And then I thought, I had orders in to get filled right at the pivot point and a little bit above it, and I thought we were gonna hit it and reject again. We did, and it just kept fucking going. So that happened to me twice actually in this account, and that's why this got temporarily deactivated because I hit my daily loss limit. But the account's not nuked, so I don't care. I'll be all right. It lives to see another day. And then this one this one I've had. This is like one trade away from being nuked. Whatever. They're $19. I really don't give a fuck. This one's up 95 bucks. So yeah, whatever. So that's that. Same thing happened with this pivot point in my Take Profit Trader account. I was actually up a couple $100 in the position, didn't take gains, waited for it to come back and actually hit the pivot point. It did, and it just blew over it, and I got stopped out just in time to not nuke this account. So this account's still alive. This account's fine. I just, I have a trailing max drawdown of 940 bucks, but I didn't nuke it because with Take Profit Trader, yeah, you could get paid on day one. Yeah, you could get paid every day, and they pay fast. The trade-off is they have a daily loss limit of 1,100 bucks on 50K accounts, and it can creep up on you fast. And then once that happens, your account is smoked. So you have to start all over again. So don't let that happen. Put yourself, make sure you do the math right on your stops. But if shit happens. I'm not even sweating it because I'm having a great day in my Apex accounts. That's really the most important thing. for me. Not this shit. What's up, Chris Velarde? What's going on? I swear this fucking pivot point right here is going to be resistance. This is the daily pivot point. We blew through 2 pivot points. We blew through this one. We blew through this one. Then they became support. I just have a feeling this is going to be the daily is going to be the, my wife just came back from her walk, so now my dogs are whining because they want to go next. Yeah. So once there's less noise, once the dogs chill out, I'll give you an update on my Apex accounts. Hell yeah. What size it? 50K? No doubt. I was just going to ask you what size. That's awesome, man. How was your walk, babe? Were you getting followed by strangers with those leopard print freaking tight pants on? All right, just making sure. I'm just a phone call away. Oh, here we go. Just hit the pivot point again. There we go. If I get filled. Yeah, I'm live. Stop sell 1. Oh, I didn't get filled. Fuck me. Fuck it. I'll mark it in. Because there it was. I mean, there's the pivot point rejection on the daily. Let's see if it holds. Maybe I'll get filled again. That'd be cool. Maybe I'll get filled again. Whoops. Come on, you need to dump. Just fucking dump it. This is a brand new one I got Sunday. I didn't trade yesterday because I was so focused on recovering my Apex account that I almost nuked. The Comeback Kid account that I almost nuked on full tilt like a week ago. Had it within $450 of being eligible for a payout yesterday, and then I fucking got caught in some flash dump that I don't think anyone saw coming around 1 p.m. Eastern time. And I found myself down nearly $2,100, a couple hundred dollars within hitting the trailing max drawdown, which I was got a little scary, but I got it. I recovered that account to the point where I was only down. I got more than half of it back yesterday, so I finished the day down $992. I'm just watching this shit. Let's see. Do I want to take one off here? Sure. I'll fucking put a stop in over here just in case to lock in some gains. I don't like. Are you seriously not going to hit? Look at that. Why does that happen to me all the fucking time? Now I'm going to get stopped out. Because that always fucking happens. Whatever. I'm locking in gains. Fuck you. I was like, oh my God. Like with like a tick, bro. The shit happens to me all the fucking time. Anyway, so I finished the day. I got back like 1,100 of it, a little more than 1,100, and I took that as a huge win. So then, yeah, she's hanging in the background. What's up, hard hat? Good trading in funded accounts. What am I in? Oh, I did. Huh. What am I long? I don't even know. What the fuck did I just do? I guess I didn't get out of all of it. All right, whatever. Let's see what happens. No, I don't want to see what happens, actually. I'll just put a fucking stop here. I didn't even know I was in. Too busy talking. There. Oh, shit. Anyway. What's up, Evan? What's up, hard hat? Yeah, good day in my funded accounts. Not so good day in test accounts, but I'm not even sweating it. I'm going to finish strong, though. So check this out. Yeah, I'm just trying to pay attention to this trade. I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm fine with that. I didn't even know I got in this. I must have did the math wrong on my order. Anyway, why do I have my earbuds in? I'm not even on the phone. So let me give you guys, now that there's more people in here, I could give you a update on my Apex account. So this is 66. This won't make the cutoff to get a payout. That one, the 20th is the last day you can request a payout. That will be day 9 for this account. I knew that. I was well aware of that. So I'm not like going crazy to push this account. So I made one I got like $26 in the first trade, and then the second trade I got 150, and then I was like, okay, I'm done, because I don't need to push this account. Like I can't request a withdrawal on this account until June 1st. So we're still cruising. We're cruising. We're almost halfway there. I still have to trade for another 2+ weeks. So like, why even fucking push it? What's going on? Holy shit! Am I gonna? Oh, I got taken out. Well, now we're at the pivot point. I'll tell you what's going on in the other account, the comeback kid account. Is it gonna keep pushing? Let me put a fucking stop here. Stop by. Yeah, let's see what this pivot point on the daily holds again for a little bit. Let's see if it holds. Shub, what's up? What's up, Shub? I designed my own thumbnails. Are you trying to say that my thumbnails aren't good, my friend? You got a problem with my thumbnails, bro? I use this thing called PixArt because it's free. Well, if you go to download, you can make your thumbnails in there, and then if you go to download it, it'll prompt you to pay to get access to download. So what I do is I just take a fucking screenshot of it. Because fuck them. You know why? Because fuck them. That's why. Just accidentally make $100. I love when you accidentally make $100. Oh, you talking about me? Uh-oh. I guess that pivot point's not holding again. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. I'm cool with getting taken out because I'll still be net positive on that move. But on the last 2 trades, Shub, I appreciate the offer, but I'm good for now. It takes me like 2 minutes to make a thumbnail. Oh shit! Almost got taken out. And like, if I don't want to make them anymore, I'll just have one of my kids do it for me. I'll give them $1 a thumbnail. I have 4 kids, you know what I mean? So got plenty of labor in my house. So yeah. So anyway, back to this Apex account. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. I don't know what's happening here. It's starting to get a little wild though. They ain't coming back down to that, I don't think. Is it gonna go up to this fractal and then reject? I can see that. Here's the hourly. I'm probably gonna get taken out. I don't know. If I do, it is what it is. I don't care. It's trying to push. Where is that other fucking daily? We're basically just at the daily. Is this going to hold? It rejected a little bit, but I don't know if it's going to keep holding. It might. It's just so strong. Like, look at this. This is the hour. This is a daily candle. We're up. We're up a fuck ton. Yeah, I might get. Did I take taken out yet? Holy shit! I'm still not taken out. I'm still in this trade somehow. Cool. I'm gonna get taken out though. I think I'm gonna get taken. There we go. I knew it. But I do like. I do like, limit sell. I do like that spot. It might be too late. I like this right here because this right here. I don't know if we're going to go. Imagine we go up to this pivot point too. Jesus. What is this, 428? I'm in already. I got filled. Wow. I basically played that fractal. This shit is wild. Just keeps going up and up and up. I want to tell you guys about that Apex account. You're going to hit this? Oh. Yeah. I don't want to give back all these gains. I mean, at this point, I'm literally just trading for the stream because this shit is like way out of my area I like to trade in. And it just keeps fucking going up. Like all I have to do is just keep going long and I keep trying to go against it. So let's see what happens. I'll put a stop here because I don't want to temporarily liquidate another account because that sucks. But yeah, I don't know. I think are we just gonna keep running into the close? I have a feeling we're gonna flush toward like right at the end of the day. Oh, there you go. What's up, Beefcake? What's up, Beefcake? Hope you're having a good day. Trading and just in general in life. Oh man, just fucking keep going. Look, see? Right there. Oops, wrong account. I want to tell you about my other Apex account, the Comeback Kid account, but I keep getting into trades. Take me out. Hit it. Boom. All right, let me cancel all of these fucking trades. All right. Cool, this account's up 390. All right, so check this out. I told you about this one. Got this one up some more. Can't pull any money out until June 1st anyway, so I'm not trying to push this account. So this account yesterday, I told some of the guys, but I didn't tell any of the new guys that showed up. This account yesterday, I was up $73. I started the day $520 away from being eligible to request a payout when the withdrawal period, came. Got caught in some fucked up trade and found myself down. I took a trade. I was up 73.50. Now I was within 450. So I was like headed in the right direction, feeling good about everything. And then I get caught in this fucking trade. And when the market flash dumps or it pumps, when it's pumping and dumping like key levels like VWAP and pivot points and orbs, top orb, bottom orb, none of that shit matters when you're in the middle of some algo dump or pump. And I added a few times at those key levels on its way down, and whatchamacallit, and I found myself down almost $2,100. So if you factor in like the 2080 I was down, or the 2050, whatever it was, plus the 73 that I was up, plus a little bit more that I didn't get all of the gains. I got stopped out. I locked in gains. I was literally like a little more than $200 away from hitting the trailing max drawdown and losing that funded account forever. This is the same one that I went on full tilt last week during the overnight and tried to nuke. And guys were like, don't do it. And I got it all the way back and actually finished the day green after I came to my senses during the overnight. And then during regular trading hours, I got that shit all the way fucking back. I was like literally within 100 to 200 bucks. It was crazy. And then I built it up, yada, yada, yada. Fast forward to yesterday. I get it back. So I'm down, almost at trailing max drawdown. I get it back. I work it back the rest of the day, pretty much neglect all my other accounts, all my other prop firm accounts and everything. I was already done trading 66. I get it back to within, I think I got like I got like $1,1100 to $1,200 back throughout the day. And I got it down I finished the day a little less than down, a little less than 1,000. So I was like, I think I was negative $992 when the day was over. So then I just started doing math. I needed to get $381 if I wanted to put myself back in qualification for a payout during this withdrawal period, which starts tomorrow, the 15th to the 20th is this withdrawal period. I would need to get, and I didn't want to take a chance and go to Monday. I know I've heard guys talk about it. Like I've asked, like if you get over the threshold on the 20th, on the last day to request a withdrawal, you can request that same day too, I guess when everything resets. But I didn't want to risk it and then be like, sorry, you have to wait till next time, and then I have to trade 10 days in a row again. So I did the math. I was like, I need to get this thing over by Friday, by end of day Friday. So based on that, I needed to get $381. So let's take, I mean, here I am. I'm up 789, but I needed to get 381 a day for the next 4 days to get it to like 2650 or 2700. Oh shit, what's going on here? Oh my God. Oh, we went up. Shit, we fucking popped. We just popped to 31. Oh wait, were we already there? Anyway, I did more. I basically covered 2 days in one today. I wanted to push it today on purpose. So, 789 divided by 381. I covered more than 2 days worth of, the average day I had to have for the rest of the week. So now I only need 20. I want to get to 2,700 or close to it. Let's just say 2,700 because it's just easier. Now for the rest of the week, I need to average 823 divided by 3. I need to average $274 a day for the rest of the week, and that will put me in a position to request a payout. I'm cool with requesting on Friday or Monday or Saturday or whatever, but Monday, maybe I'll do it in 2 days and I can request on Friday. But I'm cool with that. So I'm in really good shape with this account. I basically got all of that money back. So if I finished the day minus 992, 992 minus 789. I basically got all of that money I was down back, from yesterday. I got all of it except for $203. And I don't want to go anywhere higher because I'm basically, I don't want to get too far over the 30% consistency rule. I'm literally right at it right now. I think 785 is the consistency rule. So that's what happened with these Apex accounts. I'm very happy about where they're at, especially this one. This is the Comeback Kid account twice now. But I guess what that's saying is, I guess I'm getting a little bit more mature as a trader, and instead of like just fucking throwing my hands up and just trying to fucking make a big trade close to that trailing max drawdown, I didn't fucking nuke it. Normally I would have nuked that. In the past I would have nuked that. Oh look, we got a little head and shoulders forming here. Ooh, head and shoulders. Let me get out of this fucking shit before I get in the trade. Let me go here. This account, I don't know why I still have this eval in here. This is like fucking 30. Let's just put it this way. This is an eval account that I passed almost 200 evals ago. 125. I don't know why it's still in my account. Does that happen to any of you guys with your Apex accounts? You just have some random old eval just sitting in your account still that you passed in your Trade Evade? When did I get taken out? 425. Wow, it came down another 10 points. That sucks. I basically got taken out I got hardly anything on that move. Gross. Did I go long? I don't fucking remember. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Oh, it was a short. Short. Anyway. So that's my Apex story. You wish they had, like TopStep, like a temporary liquidation? I mean, yeah. Well, that's what, that's why they're all different. They all have their advantages and disadvantages, It's a great TopStep with this temporarily liquidated account, like temporary liquidation. Like, I'm perfectly fine with this. Like, whatever. I live to see another day. You know, Apex doesn't. They just blow through your shit. You have 20 funded, 25. Oh, man. What do you trade? Do you trade micros? On those 25K accounts, then they're all, what do you, copy trade them all together? Yeah, thanks, Chris. I do. I feel like I need to pat myself on the back for that one. It was definitely, yeah. I'm holding XRP until it hits $40 in 2037. I used to mess around pretty heavy with it. Now I just honestly I'd fuck with meme coins more than anything. One ES, but it was too much. God bless you. A trader limitation, kind of like, you know what's cool about TopStep? Where you going, babe? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? No. Now everybody's gonna come back to the stream. I saw my wife. My hair is a mess. You just went for a long walk with a hat on. Where you going? Where do you think you're going? Oh, how much is that? How much is that? Nice. $40 diplomas. You could get high school diplomas for $40. If you didn't graduate, now's your chance. What's the website? Highschooldiploma.com. Homeschool. Yeah, XRP Army. Everything else pumped during this last during this last bull run. Everything else pumped 5x. Even Bitcoin pumped like 5x. Solana pumped like 20x, 25x. Fucking XRP literally didn't move at all. So fucking annoying. Of all the, it's because I'm holding it. I mushed the shit out of it. Yeah, hard hat. Yeah, that basically you could set some parameters so you don't like smoke your account. It kind of kicks you out of trading or something. The limitation, the trader limitation. TopStep has that built in, which is pretty cool. So you could set risk settings. Don't go down more than this in any trade. Don't go up more than this in any trade. Take me out. Personal daily loss limit, so you don't have to hit their $1,000 daily loss limit. You could say $300 and then liquidate and block. Liquidate. What is this? PD. Personal daily profit. Oh, the personal daily profit target. You could say, you know, obviously the personal daily profit target should be around 1,500 because that's the most you could go up in a day during a test account. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. What are we doing now? Where are we at? 16? With a personal account, so you trade futures like with your own actual money, and they let you do that. It's funny they don't let you do. Why wouldn't they let you do that on a fucking in this, you know, when the simulated trading? I love the performance data though. Let's see how I performed today in number 65. Today. How's that profit trades? Gross P&L 490. I'm up 789. Winning trade 70. I'm 77% today, boy. Pretty good. I love this data. For a little while, it wasn't working. It wasn't letting you look at this data. Freaking commissions. 20% of the money I gave back was in commissions. Why do they charge you commissions when it's a fucking simulated account? I guess because it's a simulated account. Yeah, that's cool, hard hat. I'm not ready to use real money trading futures. You know how much money I would have lost if I was using, I wouldn't, I'd be done a lot sooner. All right, what are we doing here? We confirming this head and shoulders? I don't know. Where are we at on the chart? Way over pivot points. We're still right at the daily pivot point. See this here? Let's see what the Q looks like. The Qs look like on the daily. Oh, there we are. Hourly pivot point. Way over that. I mean, I think this is going to hold. I mean, I just have a feeling we're going to dump into the close. So in that spirit, I'll wait. Let's see if it comes back up a little bit first. Limit sell 1. I have a feeling it's just going to fucking dump here. Oh, maybe I'll get filled. Oh, fill me. Fill me. Oh my God. It's right on it, dude. Come on. There we go. All right, so I'm in one short. I think we're going to dump. I could be wrong, though. I've been wrong plenty of times today and every other day. Yeah. What's tomorrow? Today was PPI, so what's tomorrow? CPI? Yeah, prop firm has their advantages because, like, look, like, yeah, I nuked this account, right? So I basically lost a little more than $2,000. But what did I really lose? I lost $19, not 2,000. It's not real money. It's like monopoly money, which also could form bad habits. Oh man, there we go. Let's fucking flush. Maybe I'll add more right here. Why is it not letting me add more? I want to add more right here. If it gets back up that far, I don't know if it will. Oh, it did. All right, now I'm in 2 because I mean, obviously I could have locked in gains, but CPI today was PPI, tomorrow CPI. Yeah, I had that open before. Fed. Oh, whoops. Federal Reserve calendar. Tomorrow's the 15th. So we're going to have another roller coaster day like today. It's going to be pumping and dumping. Michael S. Barr. Commercial paper. There it is. Well, at least Jerome's not coming on. Yeah, inflation. You know, I don't care how they spin it. Oh man, I guess that's not working out. I guess I should have taken my $75. You know how it is with inflation. Oh, and Thursday some more. What is Thursday? FOMC. Jesus, this is a crazy week. FOMC. No. Thursday. This dude Michael Barr's coming on again. Oh, it's for interest rates, maybe, I guess, or something. I don't even know. What are they talking about on Thursday? Oh, unemployment? Pfft. They're going to make that look good, even though unemployment is still shit. It's just all these people dropped off that are not eligible to receive it anymore because they got it for as long as they could, and now they're still unemployed. It's such a joke. I know inflation is super high because I could just tell you just from how much I pay for fucking creamer for my coffee. 2 years ago, it was $4.99 for the same jug of International Delight. Now it's $7.59. It's literally up 50%. I mean, do the math. It's transitory. Which it's transitory, guys. Am I gonna give back? I'm not giving back all these gains. Fuck that. Let's see what this crazy candle gives us. I should have fucking. What did I add there? What an idiot. Hey guys, if anyone's on here that's not yet a subscriber to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I stream every day during trading hours, and even at night during the overnight. If I'm trading during the overnight, I'll be streaming like later on when everybody's sleeping in my house. And if you want to take advantage of any of the best deals going on with Apex or Take Profit Trader, my link is in the description below. Also, TopStep, $19 test accounts or combine accounts. I think Apex is still 80% off. 1 day to pass. Oh, this fucking sucks. What are we doing here? Yeah, let's add another one. Let's add another one here at that fucking fractal. That's probably higher now. What the fuck? Why is this not dragging up? Oh, there we go. Well, gave back all those gains. Trading like an idiot. Thought we were gonna dump. I guess we were wrong, hard hat. They're just gonna pump this shit up. I'm doing good. What's up, R. Farrell? I'm doing good. Not doing great in my test accounts, my evals and stuff, but my combine and test accounts. But I mean, I was up, but my Apex accounts are doing great. This account's up 789 on the day, and this account's up. These are funded accounts, by the way. This one's up 173.80. So done, done, and done. Oh shit. Let's see if this holds. Let's see if this fractal holds. This trend line on the 15. Oh, it's much higher now. Fuck. It's at 35. Whoopsies. I'm not a full-time prop firm trader. I'm just a degenerate. I do online marketing. So I work from home. I do online marketing. I have a couple companies in that space. I've been full-time since 2013. So like I'm in, oh shit, hard hat. You see this? You know, I work in front of my computer anyway, so I might as well trade. I mean, it's just something I do along while, like I just check, I check stats and I set up new campaigns and all that shit all day. So holy fuck. Let me fucking lock some of this in. Oh my God. Stop by 3. I'll lock that in. I'll move it down. I'll just keep moving it down. Right there. There's the dump. That's a great job, R. Farrell. That's cool. Look at that, 782. I'll take that. I think we're going to go down more, but I'm fine with that. You know what I might do? If it comes back up to this 34, I'll get back in. 1. I don't know if it's going to. Maybe it will. I'm just worried about, I got an order in at the 34 EMA, and I have an order in at the 34 SMA. Yeah, I wish obviously I wish I held, but that was a good trade. Yeah, that's a great trade. You're not going to get all of it ever, but that worked out good because I was down pretty big. But 1,100 bucks on 150 KPAs, that's great. How close are you to the You have to get to 5,600 on those. How close are you to 5,600 on any of those? Well, hey, you might have missed the downside, but at least you got the upside. Man, you pivoted to the upside after saying it's gonna dump. Uh-oh, here we go. Am I gonna get filled in the other one? Hey, you made money, though. That's all that matters. Let's see. I mean, it did look scary. You know what I mean? It did look like it was just gonna keep going up. Let's see if this fucking holds and comes down another leg, like here. There. I'll take one off here. Limit buy. Let's see. Let's see what happens. And then maybe I'll take a second one off. We're also approaching the freaking deadly 350 algo candle. Today was the first day. That's a great first day, dude. How many accounts? How many PAs do you have? How many 150 PAs? Yeah, I figured you were. Hard hat. You're a solid trader. I like real estate, but I'm not holding any like income producing real estate. I like precious metals a lot. Got some gold and silver. I flip it on eBay actually. So whatever I have, whatever my stack is, it's interchangeable as I'm adding new inventory. Whatever. Like I just got these in the mail. These are 1 ounce bars, 1 ounce silver bars, but they're not any old 1 ounce silver bar. These are colonials made by Engelhard. They only made about 1,000 of these. So even though this is 1 ounce, and 1 ounce right now is like 28 bucks, $29 per ounce of silver, I paid $140 for these, each one, 140 for each of these, because they're super rare and it's made by a company that's not even in business anymore. I actually have the hat. Yeah, you guys see me wearing this hat. This is my Engelhard hat. Engelhard, brother. But yeah, these I bought for 140. I've bought in, holy shit, did you see that? What the fuck? Woo! I wonder how many people got taken out of their position there. Nice. Awesome job, Alfred. What's going on, man? What's up, Shibby? Yeah, I learned that yesterday. You could just literally, I could drag this around. Man, I was just up like 150 bucks. Are we just gonna pop now because of that fucking deadly algo candle? Or are we gonna come back down? I'm gonna put a stop in place because I don't fucking trust this shit. It's that stop loss. I like that, how it tells you what it's gonna be. It tells you what it's gonna be if you get stopped out. I don't trust this end of day bullshit. I'm up pretty fucking good right now. I was up though. I was up like 100, like 200 bucks. And what did it bounce off of though? What is that, 12? What is 12? There it is. All right, whatever. I'm still up $526 on the day in this account. Beefcake. Is Beefcake your real name? It could be. It could be his nickname. Ah, Joe. It's all right, man. Just get another one. Just get another one, my friend. Would you go over the daily loss limit? Or you just hit your trailing max drawdown, or the max drawdown? What did that bounce off of? I want to see. What is this? Oh, it bounced off the 8 on the 15. What's it on the 5? Nothing. It's nothing. Actually, I fucking hate having moving averages on my chart, on my trading view chart, unless it's like the 200s approaching or something. Are we going up to this pivot point? That was unfortunate because I was up. I was up in that trade. I should have just locked it in, but I thought we were going to keep flushing. And sure enough, the algo candle comes and fucking reverses it. Yeah, dude, like, you got to, oh, yeah, it's happened to me so many times. Sometimes I found, um, oh, I get it. Shibby is from Dude, Where's My Car? That's why you asked him, huh, Beefcake? I see what's going on here. Um, I've actually never seen that movie. I heard it was fucking funny. And I've seen a lot of funny movies. But yeah, Joe, I've been there. Like I've found with like eval accounts, like whether it's Apex, Take Profit Trader, any of them, the closer you get, when you're real close, you kind of throw your rules kind of get. I found myself, at least for me, like a lot of times my rules have gotten thrown out the window. Now it's gonna fucking dump. I don't know, I'll play a fucking bounce here. I guess I'm not gonna play a bounce here. Bye. Bye. Yeah, this is gonna dump. It's gonna dump because I'm going in long, and because we all just got fucking played with double top. But I'm going long. Sounds like a great idea. What could go wrong? Yeah, like the closer you get, for whatever reason, it gets harder to pass unless you blow over the target, like in one trade that you've been in or whatever. Here we go. Here's the next deadly algo candle. Is gonna wipe out all my gains. Let's see. I'm gonna fucking put a stop here. Come on, fucking there it is. Almost. Oh, I'll lock in gains there. I'll move it up. Thank you. That makes up. That works. There we go. 971. Made up for that other trade I fucked up. Well, you could trade news days. Just don't trade the news. You know what I mean? You could trade on a news day. Just don't trade it when the news is happening. Like if that report just comes out and you see the market is just going berserk, don't trade that. And then Jerome Powell came on today, and he must have choked on a raisin at the podium because the market pumped when he came on. Usually, it goes both ways. So you gotta and a lot of times, if it goes one way, it's going to come back the other way. It's going to go for a round trip before it figures out what it wants to do. But just wait for that stuff to subside. Like the news happened already. So, when the news happened? Earlier in the morning. So let me go to the Qs on the 15, right? Let me get to all this shit. Let me move all this shit down. I don't even look at the stochastic. I probably should look at them a little more. I put them there for a reason, to learn how they move, how they behave. The three different stochastics I have on here, but whatever. Let's get this shit fucking lower. All right. So this is when the news happened. Basically, well, this is probably part of it right here. This pump. This is the 15-minute candle, and then you got this right here. The pump, the dump. This is all probably when Jerome was on and the report was happening, and whoever was fucking talking. Who cares, right? After that, the news is over. Like, yeah, the market will continue in a certain direction based on that earlier news, but we couldn't get under 300. Well, I'm on the Qs, but we couldn't get under 300. Right here. So this was the news, right? You see this, Joe, and other guys? Beefcake, I know you're a little bit newer to this too. This is the news. You can trade this, but I wouldn't, especially if, because anything can happen. I mean, you could play this, but It's crazy. And I wouldn't play a funded account there for sure. But this is, after all that subsided, we kind of settled down and we were trying to figure out, establish a direction the market was going to go in. And here we are. We couldn't get below 300. 300, that psychological level of 300 became support. And we ran 130 points from there. We couldn't get, basically couldn't get below VWAP on the NQ. And then on the Qs, it was the lower VWAP band. So still VWAP, just one standard deviation lower on the Qs. This is the lower VWAP band. We couldn't get below it, and we just pumped. We did get a little bit of a pivot point rejection here, and then blew through it on the next trip up. Got a little rejection here, then blew through that one, and then here we are. So, yeah, I mean, I didn't ride that whole pump up. You know, some people do. Some people comment in my thing like, yeah, you know, when I'm fucking writing about how I fucked up my account or whatever, like, yeah, I took one trade and I just rode easy trade, easy 2,200 for me. I just rode the trend. Like, thanks for rubbing it in, bro. Someone actually did that the other day, yesterday, commented and said, I'm gambling. It's like, cool, man. I'm glad it worked out for you, but I'm not gambling. I don't really think I'm gambling when I trade. I'm much more strategic now. Just shit, sometimes shit doesn't work out. It's just the way it is. But yeah, the other thing you got to keep in mind, Joe, on the next one, and make sure you use code ZERODAYJAY to lock in the 40% off and $0 upgrade fee. Just like when you set your stops, just don't let yourself go below 1100. The daily loss limit is 1100 on Take Profit Trader, and it will smoke your account. So I think that's what happened. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what you said happened. Maybe only let yourself go down $500 or $600 to really protect yourself, and then just don't trade. You know, I came close. Look at this. Look at that. See that, Joe? This account was at 1100. I was actually up in that trade I took, this first trade I took, and I didn't fucking take profits. Actually, no, the first trade I was down, and I was up like 200 in the next trade. Didn't take profits, and I just let it. That's when the pivot point kind of failed. It rejected a little bit. Oh, here we go. We're going to dump now going into the close. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm not playing anymore. I'm up $971. I mean, maybe I will. I don't know. Am I knowledgeable in pest control? I'll show you how I deal with pest control in my house. Wow, look at that dump. This is how I deal with pest control in my house with the bug assault. Oh, it's already locked and loaded. Just waiting. I'm waiting for a bug to appear. Yeah, the biggest advice I could give you, Joe, is just set your stops. Don't let yourself go. If the daily loss limit is $1,100 on Take Profit Trader, because Take Profit Trader is really good. You know, but you got to pass the test and then get over the buffer to get those payouts on the daily. You know what I mean? Or to get them quick and not have to wait like you might with Apex or TopStep or whatever. You know, just don't let yourself go down more than $800 or $900. Like make sure your stop is in place, and if you hit $800 or $900, you stop trading, you call it a day, and then tomorrow's a new day. You know what I mean? Oh, now we got people on. What's up, everybody? We had 30 people on. What is up? What a dump. What did we just dump? 40 points, 32, no, 20, almost 30 points. So we basically rejected off of this fractal. Look at that. We hit this trend line here and dumped 30 points. Nice. To close out basically the last minute of the day. I still think we go up though. I don't know. 400's an area of support now. Ooh, Take Profit Trader. Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, these are cool bars. This Colonial bar. This I paid 100. This is 1 ounce of silver, but I paid 140 for it, and I'm probably gonna sell it for around $200 on eBay. And I will get it. I've sold like 15 of these already. I've sold them for as much as 240, 229. I remember one time I listed these when I first got my first bunch of them. I listed them, and like literally within like an hour of listing them, someone grabbed all of them. Anyway, let's see what's going on here. Anything? This looks bearish as fuck. We're gonna go down another leg. I'll watch this. Limit sell here, limit sell here. Fuck it. Might as well just keep pushing this account. I'll have a tight stop. What's up, Nate? Nate, today was good for the most part. Not so great in test accounts and combines, although this new one's up $971. But I nuked this one. Whoop-de-doo. Cost me 19 bucks. This one I temporarily liquidated. This one was my best one. I was up 1,333 bucks. Actually was positive in my first trade, and then just pivot points didn't hold like I thought they would. I did get a little from it at first, and then it just didn't work out. But I still have the account. You live to see another day when you hit your daily loss limit on TopStep, which is great. It's my favorite feature of TopStep, being someone who has hit the daily loss limit multiple times on Take Profit Trader and smoked the account. This one's up 971. This one is basically nuked, but I don't know why it's still active. I don't know how it's still available, but I'm sure I take a position. As soon as it moves a little bit in either direction, it's gonna fucking be marked as ineligible. Did I get filled? Oh my god. There we go. I'm filled now. Let's see what happens. I have to pee. Oh, you took me in the shower with you, Joe? That a boy. Where do I get the rare ones from? I got guys I buy from on the internet. I mean, you could look in shops and stuff. And like you learn about stuff as you go along. Like now I know, now I know to look out for them. You know what I mean? What am I in two? Now I just know to look out for them. I'll get out of one here. I don't know if I'm gonna make it that far down. I mean, we got like the volume is starting to dry up. There's I'd say 8 or 9 minutes of okay enough volume where I could get a drop that goes 5 points. So we'll see. I'm already up 110. You know what? I'm gonna fucking put a stop in place here at the 9, just in case. Lock in some more gains. It's the end of the day. I love that. Look at that. That's the coolest thing. I love that shit. I forgot. Someone who reminded me to do that. Someone reminded me in here, but someone told me about it yesterday, and I think it's fucking amazing. Alfred, you still in here, man? I'm super happy for you that you passed that 150K combine. Great job on your part. Oh, there you are. There you are. I literally didn't even see this. I didn't even see you comment. I didn't even see you comment. And I was like, yo, Alfred, you still in here? And then poof, there you are in the chat again. Awesome, dude. Yeah, man, I'm really happy for you. I want to get me some 150Ks, but I don't know if Apex is the right one to do it in. I'd rather do it in like TopStep or Take Profit Trader. I think the next test account I buy in Take Profit Trader will be a 150. Let me move this fucking up. I want to get taken out here. Take me out. Ugh. I'll move my stop down too. Fuck it. Lock in some more fucking gains. Look at that. That's so fucking cool, man. Take me out of one here. Boom, I'm out of one. Let me move this down again. What? That's confusing. No, I don't want to do that. Holy shit. I'll lock in another 165. Yeah, I'm out. That was a great trade. Are we going to dump more? I don't care. I'm up 1,260 bucks in this account. Fucking almost halfway there. The guys with nice ones online be taxing 1 and 2 times the going price. I need your, yeah, bro. I just follow dudes on Instagram. I get from guys on Instagram. Um, wow, that's a nice little. Are we gonna fill this? We're gonna basically fill this wick right here, and then probably bounce or something. But I'm good with that. I'm not for. I don't need to force anything. I get from guys on Instagram, and then there's some good Facebook groups, and you just um, yeah, plenty of drawdown room with the 150Ks. What's the 150K drawdown on TopStep? Let's see, TopStep Trader. I think it's like 4,500. 4,500, just like Apex. What's crazy though with Apex, you could get a 150K with Apex for like 60 bucks. But you gotta wait to get paid. You you know that's the only thing. However, the fact that you could go up, you were saying the other day, you could go up $200 a day in a 150K as well, and then you could get a payout. Apex, you got to go up 5,600 and go 10 days at 5,600. Yeah, that's where the benefit is on those 150Ks, $3,000 daily loss limit. Now the market's. Oh, I'm glad I got out of that trade. I keep forgetting that. I keep forgetting that top step closes. The market closes at 409, 410. Good thing I got out of that trade when I did. I mean, I would have got liquidated for a gain, but still, imagine I tried getting back in here. What up, Saad? What is going on? Yeah, here's my top step. My top step link. Let me get this fucking top step link here. Ugh. Whoops. Remove. I have to pee so bad. I'm doing a pee pee dance here. Actually, Joe, if you just click on the link in the description, in my description, you could get a top step 50K eval for 19 bucks. Just after you click it, just put the coupon code topstepx in there. But anyway, I'll be right back. I gotta pee. Hey, Winnie, you want to eat? You didn't eat at all. Mommy's home now. Here you go. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Go ahead, eat your food. All right, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Had to pee. I was doing the dance. 2 cups of coffee, 2.5 glasses of water. I'll do that to you. All right, Chris. I'll see you, Chris, man. Thanks for hanging out. Oh, Andy, what took you so long? What's up, man? What's going on? What is going on? Oh yeah. What AMC? I heard AMC went from like 7 to 25, and then came all the way back to 7, and fucking GameStop went from 37 to like 80 and came back to 37. It's all because that dude Roaring Kitty posted a picture on his Twitter for the first time in 3 years. It had nothing to do with AMC or fucking GME. It's hysterical. Some people say that when meme stock season kicks off, and now all the meme stocks start pumping and dumping, that means that the regular market's getting ready for a pullback. Yeah, the money's just shifting around. That's what happens with crypto. Like the money just moves from coin to coin, especially the altcoins and the meme coins. And then people will say, "I read the white paper and I believe in the project." Yeah, no, you don't. You just want to fucking get the 10x pump and get the fuck out before the rug pull. What's up, Penny? What are you looking at, Harvey? Come here. Up. Come here. Come here. Get up here. Let's go. Get up here. Get up here. No, you're not coming up. Sorry, guys, just replying to some emails. What's up, Snowden? Yeah, I'm not playing anymore, bro. I can't play anymore on my TopStep account because TopStep stops trading at 410. So I'm done in TopStep. I'm not done. I can in my Apex account, but I'm perfectly fine with where both of my funded accounts are at right now. This one's up 173 on the day. This one, the comeback kit, is up 789 on the day. Can't go any higher on that anyway. I don't want to completely blow through that 30% consistency rule. And then my Take Profit Trader test account, I almost smoked it, almost hit the daily loss limit, which in Take Profit Trader does smoke the account. So I stopped trading this a while ago. So there's nothing for me to do. I'm not getting another test account. Yeah. What's going on, man? I'm doing good. How you doing? How's it going, man? I'm just watching, seeing what's going on in this market. I haven't been getting any new Apex evals because they're $37. I could get evals from TopStep for 19, right? I don't, 50Ks at least. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. It doesn't look very promising to the upside. It looks like we got a head and shoulder right here on the 15. You got the shoulder right here. You got the head. Now we're forming the other shoulder. So I could see us coming back down to this pivot point here, or maybe coming back down to 400, which is, a psychological area of support because it's a key level. Dom C, what's up, man? Hope you green. You green? Why is everybody hanging out by me? Finish all your food, Luna? Luna's my dog. One of my dogs, by the way. She's very picky with her eating. She didn't eat before because my wife was on a walk. Right? Right? Oh, you ate everything. Good job. What a good job you did. So proud of you. Good job. This head and shoulders confirming here. You got the shoulder. You got your little head here. I mean, maybe we bounce off of this trend line. I don't think so. I think we're going to go down more, but I could be wrong. Ha! Dom C. Tell us what happened. Tell us what happened, my man. Went up to 800, Take Profit Trader, lost it, went up 1200, then gave it all back. Oh, dude, I hate when that fucking happens. See, Joe, you're not the only one. I almost nuked my Take Profit Trader account today too, but I didn't let it hit the whatchamacallit, the daily loss limit. I came within 40 bucks and then called it a day. Oh, bro, yeah. Joe too. Joe had a similar situation. He was right on the cusp. Right on the. How much did you need to get up today, Dom, on that account that you blew? The one that you got up 1,200 bucks. Like, how far away were you? $1K away from passing? Yeah. All right. So it didn't even matter. Yeah, it does suck. Exactly. Could have gotten it tomorrow. That's what I was going to say. Or next day. Like, you don't have to do it in 5 days. They just give you can't do it sooner than 5 days, I know. That's the only thing that sucks. You lose the time. You lose the five, now you got to start over. Like, I'm pretty much starting from scratch here too because I'm at 50K. I don't even know what day this is. Day 3. unless I go up 1,500 tomorrow and 1,500 on Thursday, I'm probably gonna go over to 5 days. And I've been focusing so much on my Apex account because I want to get this back. I want to get this into the promised land. Because I was, I fucked it up, but I got it all. I'm almost all the way back from what happened yesterday. $200 away, but I didn't want to go up anymore because then, I didn't want to violate the consistency rule. I violated it by $5.60. Yeah, the time is the worst. The time is the worst, Joe. That's why you got to make sure you don't go over that daily loss limit. Just make sure your stops in place. Do the math, or maybe don't even let yourself get even close to it. Like if you get down, like set your personal daily loss limit and Take Profit Trader to 800 or $900, and then if you hit it then you're done, and just wait for the next day. Because I could have got filled. Where is it? I could have got taken out of this position I was in. I got stopped out, but it could have filled me. It could have kind of filled me like it could have been a shitty fill, even though it was a stop that I had in place. But if the spread was higher, let's say it was the overnight, I still could have gotten fucked and nuked this shit and had to start over. So yeah, that's the other. TopStep was up. Yeah, bro, yeah. Just don't hit the daily loss limit. That's really the biggest thing on Take Profit Trader. Don't even go near it. Don't even go near it. Set yourself a personal daily loss limit, and once you hit it, just adhere to it, whatever that number is. Yeah, don't worry, Dom. I nuked the TopStep account. This one's up 1260. Obviously, I'm showing this one because I was just trading this one to go into the end of the day. But this one I fucking nuked, completely done. Whatever, $19 down the drain. This one should be nuked, but it's not. So as soon as I take a position in this, it's going to get nuked. So I'm just kind of letting it hang. This one's been nuked, and then this was the one I had up 51,000. This one I had up $1,333, and I fucked it up. But I didn't get nuked. It's just I can't trade it until tomorrow. That's all. So no harm, no foul. It's not the end of the world. I could always get it back up. So I got 2 accounts in good standing. This one I'm really happy about. This was a new one. I just started trading this one today. Got it up $1,260. So I'm almost halfway there to passing a Take Profit Trader account. My first ever Take Profit TopStep. My bad. I always confuse Take Profit Trader and TopStep. I don't know why. Is it because they both start with T? Yeah, bro. It happens quick, man. It creeps up on you. Yeah, exactly. Like, and just wait for if your strategy works, like you're confident in your strategy, like those should be the only trades you take anyway. Yup. That's the emotional side. Revenge trading. I've done it too. I did it too. I almost nuked this account. Well, yesterday I almost nuked this account yesterday, but not because I was on tilt, but last week I went full tilt because other shit wasn't going my way. So I was like, fuck it, let's nuke this fucking thing too. And then during the overnight, and then I came to my senses and recovered it big time. And almost, now I had this $450 away yesterday, and then I fucking almost nuked it again. Not revenge trading, shit just happened. But now I'm in really good fucking shape. I just gotta get $274 a day for the next 3 days. My goal is to have it back over 2,600 by the end of Friday. I don't want to go into Monday's the last day you can request a withdrawal. Monday will be the 10th day for this account. Actually, no, I just don't want to do it on Monday and then request a withdrawal, and they say, oh, you passed it. Even though I've heard that you can, I just want to be done with this by Friday and then request my withdrawal on Monday and get fucking paid again. Yeah, 5 minis. Yeah, 5 minis and exactly. You better be right or have a tight stop. Shit moves around quick, man, especially today. Crazy. What's up, Orky? What's going on, man? Yeah, I'm gonna request it Friday. Yeah, that's yeah. I didn't know. I'm pretty sure I can request over the weekend too, but I just don't want to be. I just don't want to find myself trading on the last day to request a withdrawal, to request a payout, and then when the day ends, it's not there in the drop down on day. When everything resets for the following day. So I want to be done on Friday. There she is. You want to eat all her food like a good girl, like a good girl. Yeah, the market will do that to you, bro. Just when you think you, just when you think you're like, it's usually when your confidence is at a peak level, the market will kick you right in the fucking nuts. Can't tell you how many times that happens to me. So I try to keep myself humble, you know, humble but confident at the same time, but not. I try not to get too cocky. Yeah, today was a weird day. It's been a weird like week and a half actually, but today was CPI, and then Jerome came on and spoke. So obviously you're gonna have your big moves, big swings up and down, Aukie, and you know that. And then we couldn't get below 300. We couldn't get below 18,300. It literally was support, and we fucking popped way off of that. Yeah, PPI was today. Tomorrow's CPI. Yep. Yeah, they're gonna say it's. They still saying it's transitory. What a joke. Any whatever they're saying, they're full of shit, right? Hope you guys know that by now. I'm sure you do. Yo, when you're up 800 to 1,200 bucks on a Take Profit Trader account, man, that's so yeah. I mean, that just be done, man. You know how to make. You make good trades. You know what you're doing. It's always that one last trade. It happens to it happen. It still happens to me, but it's happened to me so many times. It's like, oh, I'm gonna make one more trade. Let's push it some more, you know. But like, if anything, get up, walk away, go do anything else. Go for a walk. Go do some push-ups. Like, I know. Go pet your dogs. Go grope your girl. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go grope. I'm gonna grope. I'm gonna grope my wife from now on. When I need to get up and walk away, I'm just gonna go harass my wife. Well, I don't do that anymore. I don't do that anymore. Yeah, Joe, just don't trade. Don't trade. Like the event's gonna come and go. So just wait for it to happen. Like here's the schedule. I sent it to myself yesterday. Here it is. Here's the schedule, and then one sec. I just gotta look. I'm looking for something. Holy shit. Um, when is PPI? When is CPI? What time? What time is CPI? May 15th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So basically, that's one thing. Is Jerome Powell speaking after CPI? Is Jerome Powell speaking on May 15th? Jerome Colin Powell. So Jerome isn't talking tomorrow. It doesn't appear. It doesn't see. I don't see anything about Jerome talking tomorrow. So they're just going to release the CPI data at 8:30, Joe, and anybody else. Just don't trade. Don't trade for. Don't trade until like. Don't trade until after 10 o'clock. I would wait until like 10:30, 11 o'clock to trade tomorrow. If I were you, if you don't want to, if you don't want to, once 11, 10:30, 11 o'clock rolls around, the market won't be driven as much by the news. It'll be basically. I mean, there'll be this, it'll be moving because of the news, but it'll have established a direction it wants to go. It'll be done with the huge swings up and down. You know what I'm saying? To make sure there's no open positions in here. I doubt there are because I've done this 100 times today. What time do I stream? What time is it in Jerusalem right now? I usually hop on Snowden. I usually hop on clean the dishes. Yeah. What's up, Alcy Fee? Anything. Go pet the dogs. Roll around with the dogs. Suck up their electrons to get energy to recharge the batteries. That's actually a thing. The pre-market, it's going to be nuts tomorrow. So it's almost midnight for you right now. So figure, let me type this in. 20 around anywhere between 21 p.m. and anywhere between 2100 and 20 139 1139 12. Usually your time. That's usually when I come on. 11. I'd like to get on it a little sooner, but it just doesn't happen. So figure 2 p.m. Eastern time, 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern time is usually when I get on. Somewhere in between there. Just turn the bell on. So let me go to my thing. I don't know if it always works. I don't know if it's delayed, but if you hit this, if you subscribe, then you hit this all. Make sure you check off all. So let me go back. You check off all. You should get the notification. But obviously, if you want to pop on the stream, just be around. Just hop on around that time. I'll usually be on. And then there's another thing you could do, guys. I know I already told some of you already, but if it's not that clear, it's a little blurry, just go into your settings where you can change the playback speed and just go to quality. It's usually defaults to auto. So sometimes it might not, just based on my connection or your connection or whatever's going on with the connection. Um, Uncheck auto and just go to 720p. force it to give you 720p, and then it'll make it clearer. So if I go to 240p now, see how blurry it is? That might be happening automatically for you. So just go here, change the quality to 720p, and then you'll be able to see it nice and clear. Thank you, Snowden. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate the support. So also, if you guys ever want to, if you guys want to get some more evals or test accounts, or not some more with platforms that I'm on or that you want to get on because I'm on them, here's my link for Apex. Here's my Apex link. This is another way you can support the channel. And then my coupon code is right here. I mean, it's running. The tickers are on the bottom of the screen, but I figured I'd just pop it in here. This will get you 80% off. This is the best deal that's available. 80% off any size eval account, and then 1 day to pass. That's with Apex. And then if you want to check out Take Profit Trader, they're doing 40% off right now. They're doing 40% off any size test account or eval, and then $0 to upgrade. Coupon code ZERODAYJAY. They do $0 upgrade fee, so you could pass your test and then not have to pay the upgrade fee to go pro, or they call a funded account pro. And then TopStep is $19 for any size test combine account. They call test accounts and evals combines, and topstepx is the coupon code for that. It's $19 for a 50K account. Sorry, $19 for 50K combine accounts, and that's the coupon for that. And that's another way you can support the channel. I'll get a little bit of a sliver. Even if you have accounts with Apex and Take Profit Trader already, if you use my coupon code, I'll still get a little bit of a little commission to support my degenerate trading habits. My kids need Air Jordans. We don't have Air Jordans here, but there is a Nike outlet by my house where you could get Air Jordans for the cheap, and it's a Nike outlet. Like, you could get like Air Maxes for like $60, which is crazy. But yeah, you don't have to use my coupon codes. They're just there for you if you want to. We're still friends. It's okay. It's Tuesday. Pool guy's not coming till tomorrow. That's for Apex. That one is Apex. I'm still waiting on them to give me. They're still waiting for them to give me a custom coupon code. I've only been asking them for like a fucking month. And like, in terms of which one you join, I mean, it's all a matter of preference. If you're newer to prop firm trading, I would stay away from Take Profit Trader personally. To be honest with you, you gotta be more disciplined of a trader, because they have a daily loss limit. If you hit it, you nuke it. Yeah. See ya. Bye, Melissa. Bye, Felicia. I'm not leaving. I just gotta leave here because my wife's using the sink.
Oh my god.
Well, you're being loud. They hear that, but you're doing stuff. So I'll just relocate.
Come inside.
And my dogs are barking at nothing. They heard you. Ah. Yeah, I would stay. If you're newer to trading and the whole prop firm world, I would stay away from Take Profit Trader. It's definitely for a more experienced trader. Sorry for the noise. I got kicked out of my own studio, aka the kitchen. For a new trader, TopStep is good for beginners, and so is Apex. TopStep or Apex, for sure. I've been trading with Apex since the middle of October. Nice, Snowden. Very cool. I appreciate the support, man. Just make sure like you click that link and then in the description, and then pop this coupon code where it prompts you to, like when you put your info in, it'll tell you it'll ask for a promo code. Just pop that in. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, Snowden, I'll see you soon, man. Enjoy the rest of good night. Sweet dreams. See you next time. But yeah, I'll see. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with Take Profit Trader until you're much more until you're much more comfortable with the whole idea, the whole process of trading with prop firms. Take Profit Trader does have the advantage of you being able to get paid on day one, but like even that's like I wouldn't even recommend trying to do that. But you could get paid you could push your account over the buffer and then start literally take money every single day as long as you keep gaining. That's the biggest benefit I see to Take Profit Trader, as well as the fact that it forces you to be a more disciplined trader because they have a daily loss limit that if you hit it, it smokes your account. But yeah, Apex or TopStep, either one is good for newer traders for sure, 1,000%. Are we getting a little end of day pump here? Where's my man? Where is he? Where'd he go? Oh, I think that was Snowden. We're gonna get a little end of day pump here. We're already up 6 points from this bottom. I mean, looks like 18, 400. Obviously, every time you hit another hundred, like a level of 100, like the hundreds, it's a psychological level. It looks like 400 is going to be support for now. Who knows what it's going to be tomorrow when CPI happens? Um, but right now, it's acting as support. It actually we bounced here. Let me go to 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, we haven't been able to get under it. I mean, we got a little bit under it here after we got over it, and then we bounced off this pivot point. But like, really, it's support as of right now, 400. Maybe we get a little pump here. Not that I'm going to trade it. I can't trade it in TopStep because they don't let you trade beyond 4:10 p.m. Eastern time, and I'm not going to trade it in my Apex account because there's no need for me to trade in here anymore. These accounts are where I want them to be for the day. And then my Take Profit Trader account, I'm not going to mess around with this because I'm $40 away from hitting that daily loss limit and nuking the account. So I'm not touching that either. So I'm done trading for the day. I'm just watching, seeing what happens. Hmm. Damn, bro. In actual payouts, right? Yeah, dude. I do too. I can't wait. I can't wait to be able to say that. I know it's going to happen eventually. I know it's going to happen eventually. At some point, you'll be saying, I'm 3K away from 100K this month, right? It's all there for the taking for any of us. You just gotta skill up, you know, establish some rules for yourself, adhere to those rules, and just keep learning and growing. And you know, really develop. You got to develop that discipline muscle, and not let emotions get in the way. It's there for all of us. We have to beat them. You know what I mean? It's us versus the prop firms, and it's us versus the market. It's really us versus ourselves, right? But yeah, that's freaking. I'm sure that pays for something, right? That's sure that covers a lot of your nut, maybe, probably. I don't know, like you got a big family or whatever, or you're just a single dude. If you're a single dude, then that's insane, right? Or a girl. I don't know. You might be a girl. I think you're a guy though. What's going to happen these last few minutes here? Probably a bounce off of this 34, and we hit this 105. I mean, not that I would trade this, but I could see that happening. I could be wrong. Maybe it'll be rolling over here. There's just no volume whatsoever. Single 25K. Yeah, bro. And do you have like a regular job too? 25 years old, man. It's crazy. I have a daughter who's going to be 18. I'm old enough to be your daddy now. It's so crazy how much time flies. I'm 44. I'll be 45 in September. What's up, Tactical Man? What's going on? I almost lost my Take Profit Trader account. Here it is. Came close. UPS and plumbing. Oh, dude. UPS, bro. Are you a driver at UPS? I know they take really good care of their drivers. They probably take care of all of their employees. I just know that they're drivers. I know a couple of guys that were drivers, and they had it's a really good gig. Yeah, this is where I'm at with my Take Profit Trader account, tactical, and then my Apex accounts. 66 is up 173, and then 65 I pushed up 789 today. So I just need to average. I want to get it back. I want to get it to 52,600. I want to get it to 52,700. Actually, that's my goal. I want to get it there by the end of Friday. So I just have to average like $274 a day, 2,700. I don't even need to get it to 2,700. I really need to get it to like 2,650 actually, just because I kind of violated the consistency rule by $5 today, or $6. But I want to get 1877, 823 divided by 3. I need to average $274 for the next 3 days, and then I'm gonna request my payout, Friday night or over the weekend, but no later than Monday. That's my goal. Top Step. This account looks great. That's the first day I traded this account. Although I bought this eval on like Sunday night. This one I smoked. This one is pretty much smoked. I didn't even touch it, but it's smoked. I mean, as soon as I enter a trade, I'm gonna get liquidated. And then this one I hit the daily loss limit for the day, but I'll be able to trade it again tomorrow, so not the end of the world. So that's everything. But yeah, bro, are you still trading those 25Ks tactical? Yeah, I'm with you, Aukie. Going full time. Do they give you health insurance? Preload's good too, though. You're in the back. You're loading up the trucks or whatever, or you're preparing them for loading. It's not like you're because I know like during the holidays they'll hire an extra like carrier to roll around with the drivers. It's not like you have that. It's still a solid gig. You know. You know what Grant Cardone? You know who Grant Cardone? Yeah, full benefits, dude. I wouldn't get rid of that shit. What time do you work? Obviously, you're trading right now, or you were trading. What time's your shift? Yeah, bro. 5 a.m. to 11 Eastern time. Are you on Eastern? Are you on the East Coast? Yeah. So you literally sit there and trade while you're at work. But Eastern, yeah. So even if you don't trade while you're at work, you get home from work and you still have 4 hours to trade. So Grant. I don't know if you know who Grant Cardone is, but he always says, never get rid of your first flow. And for you, your first flow is UPS. Yeah, never get rid of that first flow, man. And it pays for your benefits. So you got to look at whatever your pay is, like whatever your salary is, add those benefits. Um, that's probably another like five to $7,000 a year in money you're being paid by not having to pay for your health insurance. And it's probably really good health insurance. Oh, nice, tactical. That's really Brinks is legit, dude. Congrats. Yeah, so like, why would you? I mean, I get it. You want to the dream is like to be full time and all that stuff, but like, I would hold on to that as long as you can, especially since your hours are this. Like, you could do both. You could work and then you could trade, and it seems like you trade while you're at work anyway. So yeah, fucking Grant Cardone's the fucking man. He's my favorite uncle. He's the 10x rule. You ever hear like the 10x rule? All these people saying you got to 10x that, you got to 10x that. It's because of Grant Cardone. He's my favorite uncle. He rubs some people the wrong way. I don't think he's gonna rub you the wrong way. I think you're gonna love that guy. He just talks about like, how to just get more and more and more. Like he's a sales trainer. Wrote a bunch of books, owns a bunch of multifamily real estate. Like I think he's a billionaire at this point. I'm pretty sure he's worth $1 billion. But I read his books, 10x Rule. If you're not first, you last. Sell or be sold. Be obsessed or be average. He's got a bunch of books. He's the fucking man. I love that guy. Oh, tactical, bro. I think that's what's hurting your trading. You're feeling a lot of pressure, my man. You like there's no reason like for starters. Yeah. What up, Dom? See you later, bro. Go do it. I'll see you, man. Take it easy, bro. But yeah, tactical, bro. I just don't. I wish you would stop trading those 25Ks. Yeah, I'll see you, kid. Better trading tomorrow. The 25Ks are the worst accounts for Take Profit Trader. Maybe you would benefit from a bigger account. At least 50. 50 gives you 1100. But man, 500, like one bad trade, bro, and you're fucking blowing through that daily loss limit and getting nuked. One bad trade is all it takes on that shit. Or 3 or 4 bad trades, right? 500 it's the worst ratio in terms of I've told. I mean, I've gone through this before for other people. I think I've talked to you about it too. I'm logged into my account. Let me log out. Logging out. Signing out. So watch this. Let's go down to the size, different size accounts. The 25K is the worst one. So your 500 to 1500. It's 33%. 50K is 1100 to 300 to 3000. I mean, it's 36%. It's a little bit better. And then you got 150K is 3300 to 4500. That's the best one. Your daily loss limit is 73. Is the closest to the max trailing drawdown. Maybe you'd benefit from a 150K. Let's see, or 2200 divided by 3000. You know what? That's 73% again. 1100 divided by what's on the 50K? 1100 divided by really the 100K and the 150K are the best ones actually. All right, Orky. Thanks for hanging out, man. Keep up the good work. Keep fucking getting those payouts, dude. I'll see you next time. But yeah, the best Take Profit Trader accounts are the 100 and the 150K. Really, the 150K. The 150K gives you the daily loss limit is 73% of the total on the trailing max drawdown of your end of day trailing drawdown. The 50K at the very least, man. The 25Ks, I know they're a little less. They're a little bit less, but you only have 5. The 500 is brutal. It's 33%. And then 50K is a little bit better. It's 50K is a lot better. It's just that daily loss limit sucks on the 25Ks. It's just awful. But anyway, is the market's done. The market's done. What did it do? Did it pop a little at the end? Yeah, a little pop at the end. But anyway, I'm gonna go because I have to make my update videos. Yeah, I have to make 3. I have to make my TopStep, Apex, and Take Profit Trader videos. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for hanging out. It's always been a pleasure. If you need to get more accounts, click on my links in the description below if you want to get accounts with Apex, TopStep, or Take Profit Trader. Use the coupon code that's attached. I got a coupon code for all of them. Yo, Andy, real quick, I cut my hair, bro. How does it look? I gave myself a fade last night. The GLF. Not bad, right? But yeah, I'll pop my codes in here again. Here's my Apex code. Apex coupon. Yeah, thanks, bro. I'm pretty good at cutting my own hair. Apex coupon code. Take Profit Trader. Just for newer guys, obviously you guys know what it is. It's flashing at the bottom of the screen anyway. ZERODAYJAY. And then, yeah. And then TopStep, just click on the link. But anyway, that was my final plug. But anyway, yeah, I'm glad you popped in, Andy. I've been waiting for you to pop in so I can show you my fade skills. Oh, awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. Um, anyway, guys, I'm going to end the streams. I got to make my update videos. I will talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you guys on the next one, hopefully. I'm just taking a screenshot here. But yeah, whoops. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to end the stream. Sorry, guys. I got distracted, sidetracked. But yeah, really appreciate you guys for hanging out. It's been a pleasure. I will talk to you next time. Enjoy the rest of